How to see if someone is invisible on Discord. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Discord and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Over here, you should know that there is no any direct step or indication to know or see if someone is fake offline on Discord. But still, there are few ways to do it. The very first thing you want to do is to check their status. The default status for Discord user is online. If a user status is set to offline, they are inactive on Discord. If their status is set to invisible, they are online, but they have chosen to hide their status from other users. The next step is to look for the typing indicator. If a user is typing in a chat channel, their name will be having a typing indicator next to it, even if their status is set to offline or invisible. The third step is to check their activity. If you know that person is usually active at a certain time of day, but they are not responding to your messages or appearing in any chat channels, they may be faking being offline. And the other step is to ask them directly. If you are still unsure and want to see if someone is fake offline on Discord, you can always ask the person if they are online. Well, to tell if someone is offline or invisible on Discord is pretty straightforward. It's when a user isn't active or online at that moment. When someone's offline, their profile picture might show a gray circle instead of the user green one. You won't be able to send them direct messages because they are not there to receive it. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can see if someone is invisible on Discord. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.